Hey, what's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make an image move in CapCut. So first thing, make sure you have your image right here. And after you have your image, you want to drag it into here. After you dragged it, let's say you want to make it look like this for one frame, right? But you don't want it to look like that the entire time. What you can do is click on add keyframe for the scales and click on add keyframe for positions. After that, what you can do is drag your keyframe to a random time and then position your image anywhere you want, and then drag it again to another time and then position your image anywhere you want. You can even change the size of the image. It doesn't matter what size you choose. CapCut will fix it by itself. So let's test it out. So if I press play right now, as you guys can see, the image is moving. So if this video helps you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.